What?
Henry! He came out of the wood.
Henry is still with us. Oh, he's climbing up the thing now. Henry, what you doing? He's like, you scared the crap out of me.
You scared the shit out of me. I thought it was a spider at first. Oh my god. I'm dying,
Well,
guys.
we found Henry.
I found Henry. He was in the wood pile. Oh my god.
Okay, well, Megan got pretty much everything except for these couple of boards.
Henry.
Henry.
You scared the hair off me, I'm just saying.
So these are just open, they're drying. She's just gonna do those real quick and then just throw them in a box and let them be.
I can't believe that just happened.
All right, I'm gonna start working on seeing if I can disassemble this thing.
Oh, hi, Henry. You got any more friends in here, any of them?
I'm wondering if that's the same lizard or if there's more than one. I think it's the same one though.
I think it's the same. It's still got the yellow marks on them.
Henry. What you doing, Henry? Little lizard.
We should put some more water out for him.
Well, you still got water in there. All right, enough of Henry. All right, I'm going to set up the tripod, and you can enjoy us
working.
Cussing this thing as we try to get it apart. Something I should show you guys on this thing is that it does have screws holding it together, flathead screws. That's why we think we might be able to disassemble this thing. Hopefully. There's some of them that we've already taken out. Looks like the vent is screwed on as well. So we'll try our best to disassemble this thing without using any kind of heavy equipment. Just wanted to show you that.
Well, I don't care about that side. I'm trying to get this side attached. What is holding you?
I think it might be better if we got this one detached and then we can take... Try going up with it, I don't know. Maybe just rip it out. That works too.
It's scrap metal. Who's gonna care?
I'm gonna knock it off of this side over here. Take the screw holding it in place. Let me get the header.
Well, that was satisfying.
Rubber mallet.
Up higher, higher.
too. He's behind us.
How we end up, shades of blue and gray. I feel just like an empty bottle. My dreams are on delay. I just wanna climb on top of a hill and throw it all away, away. Take me far away.
Really and truly, light switches have not changed that much.
All the way to the rainbow's end. Just ride, and we'll never turn our backs again. How we end up. The game is up to play. Every day remains the same now. One decision we obey. I just wanna climb on top of a hill and throw it all away, away. Take me far away before my mind spins off and I am on derailed, derailed. Just ride all the way to the rainbow's end. Just ride, and we'll never turn our backs again.
I am hanging on.
It isn't even that heavy.
Actually, it's pretty heavy.
Dumb. I really want to see us being dumb.
Oh, it's fun to see this being dumb.
I'm being dumb. Did I pierce the boob? Ow. Is the breast been pierced? Never mind you. I'm gonna say hello to the people.
Huh?
Hi. We're slowly dying of exhaustion. Farewell. Oh, hello. Can't see my face. Here we go. Speak to it. Speak to it. Speak to the people, ma'am.
Now you make me feel paranoid. No, no way. Okay, where's the coffee?
I wonder if that's how people with paparazzis feel.
Probably.
Noon! Woo! Okay, I'm done.
Okay, so we got some of the ducting out. That part of the floor out. What else did we do to
Stucco.
or plaster since it's inside?
Plaster.
Stuff is the outside.
We found Henry again. I've
he's still running around here somewhere.
I've officially nominated him as our mascot because why not? Anyway, I'll go show you what we got done. I'll go do a little walk around. So we got the ducting out of that hallway past the door and up here.
Oh, you might want to show them the stuff in there.
We got the big centerpiece out. Most of the piping over there except for in that corner. And it's all going to be in a scrap pile right here. So, we decided we couldn't salvage this. We couldn't even figure out any information on it online. So we're just going to send it to a scrap yard and see if we can get any money for it. We worked on getting this floor removed so that it's finally no longer poking out right there. Finished up the wood and it's drying in those boxes.
That's the stuff that we actually removed from the floor.
Yeah, we found some more pieces of wood, like 5 pieces, and then we just found out that these pieces of wood on the side aren't supporting anything because they're just hovering above the ground. There's nothing down here, nothing but concrete. And that's all we did today. I mean, it's quite a bit. We sweated to death a little bit, but it was okay.
Yeah. Well, you might want to show them.
I already showed them.
They put a hole through the brick. Thankfully that they didn't disturb it. You can actually see the board on this side though.
Yeah, they put a hole up there to get the vents in there, which is probably not the smartest thing in the world. But that's okay.
And this is just wood.
Yep, we got the vents. This isn't
Drywall.
supporting. Okay, this exit video was much longer than I anticipated.
Who cares? I can either cut it down or I can just leave it.
And that's what we did today. And now we're gonna go home and stop sweating to death. And that's it. Like us on Facebook, Instagram, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get more of our content. Yeah, like the video. Unless you didn't like it. You don't have to.
You don't have to like it. Just hit the like button anyways.
Mom.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you next time, guys. Bye.